Hi guys, today for you I have the February Japan crate. I was hoping to get this before Valentine's Day because it's Valentine's Day themed, but I just got it like 2 days ago, which is kind of very disappointing. So if you want to see Valentine's Day stuff, this is what's in this box. I was hoping they'd kind of like make this box with like hearts and stuff, but I guess not. Alright. So let's see what this is, and let's open it up. I've already pre-cut the thingy. I still have the original. I'm going to be getting Doki Doki and Yumi crates too, I guess. So here's our little pamphlet. I guess they're doing them like this. She's wearing a cute little bow apron and a nice shirt, and her hair is done up nicely. And her little friend here is in her thoughts or dreams or whatever, because he's kind of like in a little bubble. Okay, so February Sushi Crate is this right here. So it looks like if you win, you'll get a Mochi Mochi Pikachu plushie, a Son of Goku Bandai figure, Pikachu coin bank, Trunks figure Uri's model kit, Sumoko Gushi, I can't say it, sorry, Sakura tree set, Pokemon 2DS extra large, plus a Pokemon Ultra Moon game, and this is the stuff you'll be getting in your mini, original, and premium. And then this is what's happening in Japan. We got a Tokoagi game party. So if you want to read that, that's there. And then we have the Okama Strawberry Festival. And it says, did you know winter season people keep warm at home with koizai? Those things. A table covered by a heavy futon and secured with another table on top. Small heaters is underneath. Alright, so then this is the back. So it says, let's make Pokemon soft candy instructions. And then we have our pictures here. Alright, so I'm not going to test things, but if you do, let me know in the comments below. So in your mini, you'll be getting an Umi Marshmallow. I think it's this one right here. So it says, Umi are plums native to Japan that have been distinct sour taste. Typically they are pickled or made into alcohol. But this unique candy takes the ironic Umi flavor for marshmallow filling. The sweetness of the marshmallow pairs well with a tart Umi taste. Okay, the next thing is Uncle Daniel's chocolate. Let's see. It's the guy with the... I think it's this one right here. It says, during Valentine's Day in Japan, it is a tradition for girls to give chocolates to the person they like. The Mouth Japan create bringing you a chocolate such as this waffle inspired by the crispy Dutch waffle treat. So that's this one. That's the back. The next thing in your small box or mini is Animo Urkraba. Yeah, it's something chocolate. Let's see. Is it long? Oh, I think it's this right here. Just have a little book. Yeah. So I believe it's this one. It says these devilishly good cookie snacks are covered with chocolate nuts in order to look like the ironic back that Izami, mythical Japanese demon, typically carries. So you can kind of see him there. There's a little demon boy. And then the next thing is Hello Kitty Ichigo Dichu. So it's Hello Kitty. Oh. I think I've gotten something like this before, but in like a Halloween thing, but I'm not 100% sure. It says Hello Kitty is here to join Valentine's Day celebration with strawberry chocolate. The name is this great treat play words. Chew means kiss, meaning each bite is like a strawberry kiss, but also the combination of Dichu is like a cute way of saying Disu, starting this strawberry flavor in a sweet way. So that's, you can see her there, Hello Kitty. And the last thing in your mini is Taro strawberry milk caramel corn. So we got this, and it says the Taro caramel corn staple of Japanese snacks, but as time comes, strawberry milk flavor. Strawberry milk can be found at convenience stores and vending machines in Japan, only not combined with 2 classic sweets into one delicious treat. So, you know, I'm looking at this mini one. You get this one giant one, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4 items that are small. I feel like that's kind of jipping the mini crate subscribers, because that's all you get is these little things and then that one big thing. So the original now we're going into is this little thing here. It's another small item. It says this fun beer mug is not actually filled with beer, but the ramen candies. Kanepi is a similar saying to cheers. Oh, is that kampai? Yeah, I think it's kampai. We're making toast to these, perfect for celebrating with one you love. I'm not really into these ramen candies because they're just powder and they're not really fun. So those are those. Now we're getting the Valentine's Umbo chocolate. I'm sorry for pronouncing these words wrong. Or, like I said, I'm not really good with Japanese. I think it's this one. It says this Umbai chocolate flavored in time Valentine's Day. The package comes in our cute seasonal design, which makes this a perfect whether you give it to your friends or keep it to your treat to yourself. This is also small too. Next is the Dragon Ball gum, super gum. I think it's this one. I used to watch this anime as a kid, so it's been a while, so I don't know what character this is. I think it's the guy with the black hair, but I'm not sure. The one, Goku's enemy or whatever, and then they became friends. I'm not sure. Forgive me if I'm saying that wrong. And it says we included not one but 2 Dragon Ball Super items, and you get 1 Dragon Ball Z item. If you had the original, the premium, you would get another item. It says we included one but 2 Dragon Ball Super items in your crate. Give this power up. The first one is a Daodashi staple bubble gum. You can also blow a bubble as huge as Genki. Yeah, I can't say his name. Alright, so that's another small item in that box, which is very disappointing. Next is luxury chocolate by Colby. It says this limited edition chips are made with 100% Calcio potatoes, rock salt from France, and drizzled with chocolate for a perfect balance of sweet, salty, and the combination of these ingredients make for a luxurious tasting experience. So that's our second big item in our box. The rest are all like little stuff. And I think this is the DIY kit. It says the fun DIY makes 2 adorable soft candies, Pokemon strawberry and lemon flavor. You can make Pikachu male or female. Listen to Rowlet's Rockful, Quimmer Triggers, or Preachable. I think these characters are from the Sun and Moon starter pack from the game. I'm not 100%, so the Hulululu or whatever it's called. And you can get 4 combinations. One's with Pikachu, another one's with a cat, one's with Pikachu, another creature, a koala, an owl, or I can't see, and then, so yeah. So I'm going to include this big. So you get 3 big items, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little items if you get the original mini. And if you get the premium, you get Constellation Chocolate. Aw, I wish I could have gotten one of those. The last time I got was my birthday. I can't remember if it was Japan Crate or Tokyo Treat. So the next one is Mixed Triso Soft Candy. It says these soft candies come in 3 classic soda flavors, cola, rame, and grape. And then your second Dragon Ball Z item is Kamehameha. As a bonus, we've included a special Dragon Ball Z Super Candy combo. This comes with a ramen flavored gum and random character card featuring your favorite DBS characters. And then you'll be getting that's the bonus item. Then you'll be getting the mini angel pie, strawberry duck fufu. It says chocolate strawberries are always romantic for Valentine's Day. So we brought you these flavors, but with a Japanese twist. These are chocolate pies with a delicious strawberry marshmallow filling. The filling emulates chewy sweets of strawberry duckfu mochi filled with strawberries. And the drink in your premium is Pokemon Honey Apple. It says Pikachu wants to help with the Valentine's Festival's delicious apple drink, combined with a sweet honey taste and full of vitamin C to give you a little boost during the winter season. So that is all the things in our box. I'm kind of disappointed that we got really small things and 3 big things. Yeah, I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. And have a great day. And yeah, bye-bye.